How to add DYDX wallet address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto to your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. First of all, you have to scroll the main page of Trust Wallet a little bit. After that, click on the button Add Tokens, and as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add DYDX crypto, you have to write DYDX in the search bar. But here, be careful because there are two DYDX networks, Solana and Ethereum, and if you choose the wrong one when sending your coins, they may not come to your wallet. So be careful and choose Ethereum network. Then click here and finally click Done. So now DYDX token is on the main page of our Trust Wallet app, and to receive this crypto from someone, you need to click on it. After that, click Receive. And one of the ways of receiving DYDX token is to show this QR code to a person who is going to send you this crypto. But also you can get DYDX crypto by copying your DYDX wallet address. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.